All right, how to use the Exponents program. Here we have a question, 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 11, okay, which is going to be, I'm going to add the exponent, right, so that's going to be 3 to the power of 13. So what I'm going to do is I can click in here and I can type 3 to the power of. Now to get that power of exponent, to get the exponent, what I can do is I can do on top of the 6, like Shift 6, you get that little chapeau thing. Okay, so if I press Shift and 6, I can get that. And then I'm going to write 13. So immediately it knows that the next thing I'm going to do is an exponent. Okay, so 13. Now, if I want the next thing to be a base, there's a couple of things I can do. One is I can use the greater than symbol. All right, then the next thing I write, if it's like a 4, it's going to be a base 4. Okay. Now, the next thing, if I wanted to write like a letter, since I don't have any literal exponents in this program, automatically a letter is a base. So if I write x, it's automatically a base. Okay. But let's say I was here and I had an exponent. It assumes that the next thing I want to write, if it's a number, is also an exponent. Okay. But if I had a letter like y, it would make it into a base. All right. You also have all these buttons down here. These are really useful on the iPad. So let's say I wanted to write, I'm going to do the same thing. So if I wanted to write 3 to the power of 13, so this is the power of button, and then 13, and then I press enter. All right, a couple other things. You have a nice little volume button over here, which will allow you to adjust the volume of the program without adjusting the volume of your computer. Okay, and way down here, we have a whole lot of, this is the Save Results button. When you're finished, you click Save Results, and your results will be, get this, saved. Okay? And then way down here, we have a whole bunch of videos. All right? So you have all your rules, and then you have examples, like a whole bunch of different examples. Okay? So you have an example for each level, and all of your rules, all of your notes. Okay, so altogether there are, let me see, 24 different videos, including this video. All right, so that's how you use the Exponents program, and have a good day.